Let's look at this JAMB past questions biology 2018 question number 16. The vitamin which is important in the formation of the retina pigment is A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Now, for us to be able to appreciate this very well, we need to note that the retina consists of photoreceptors called rods and cones. So these rods and cones are photoreceptors, and these photoreceptors are on the retina. Now, on these very photoreceptors, we have high sensitive pigment protein complex known as rhodopsin. So on these photoreceptors we have pigment protein complex known as what? Rhodopsin. Very important. Now, the pigment part of this rhodopsin is made from vitamin A. So you actually get the pigment, this very pigment on the rhodopsin, from vitamin A. And that is why lack of this very vitamin A results or causes night blindness. So you see, that very thing that helps in forming the pigment rhodopsin is vitamin A, and that makes option A the right answer. Vitamin A is actually the vitamin which is important in the formation of retina pigment. So the retina pigment rhodopsin is actually consisting of a pigment protein complex, which is actually helped in its formation is vitamin A. Now this rhodopsin is on the photoreceptors known as rods and cone in the retina. So that's why option A is the right answer. Thank you.